Students will form groups to research, design, and propose a data governance framework specifically for the school health office. The project will cover the introduction to data governance, ethical guidelines, and data privacy considerations. Students will present their findings and framework in a comprehensive report and presentation. Phase 1. Planning and research. Form groups, divide the class into small groups of 3 to 5 students, understand the project scope, discuss the project objectives and deliverables with the group, assign roles and responsibilities within each group, research data governance, conduct research on data governance principles and frameworks, identify key components of data governance such as data quality, data stewardship, and compliance. Analyze current practices, investigate current data. Management practices in the XYZ High School Health Office. Conduct interviews with health office staff and IT personnel to understand current data, collection and management processes. Phase 2. Developing the framework. Stakeholder analysis. Identify all stakeholders involved in health data management, example, health office staff, IT staff, students, administrators. Define the roles and responsibilities of each stakeholder in the data governance framework. Design data governance framework. Develop a comprehensive data governance framework tailored to the health office system. Ensure the framework includes policies for data quality, data stewardship, and regulatory compliance. Develop ethical guidelines. Research and define ethical guidelines for data use in the health office system. Create principles of transparency, accountability, and fairness specific to health data governance, user consent and ethical scenarios. Design a user-friendly consent form for data collection in the health office. Develop scenarios involving ethical dilemmas in data management and propose solutions. Phase 3. Addressing data privacy. Understand data privacy. Research data privacy laws and regulations relevant to the health office system. Example, HIPAA, FERPA. Identify the types of personal and sensitive information managed by the health office. Implement privacy measures. Propose specific measures to enhance data privacy within the health office system. Example, encryption, access controls, data minimization. Develop a comprehensive data privacy policy tailored for the XYZ High School Health Office. Phase 4. Documentation and presentation. Compile research report. Prepare a detailed report covering all sections, including an executive summary, detailed analysis, and the proposed framework. Include visual aids such as charts, diagrams, and flowcharts to illustrate key points. Create practical documents. Develop a user consent form and a data privacy policy specifically for the health office. Create guidelines for ethical data use in the health office. Prepare presentation. Create a PowerPoint presentation summarizing the key findings and proposals. Practice presenting the framework, ensuring clarity and professionalism. Phase 5. Final presentation and feedback. Present findings. Present the comprehensive data governance framework to the class and potentially to school administrators. Ensure each group member contributes to the presentation. Feedback and revision. Gather feedback from classmates, teachers, and administrators. Revise the framework and documents based on the feedback received. Submit final deliverables. Submit the final research report, presentation, and practical documents.